I'm Engineer Sam from Koolenergies, and I'm here at the residence of Ms. Isiak for a maintenance check on her solar system that was installed sometime last year. So come with me as we go for a maintenance check.
My name is Omotope Kafayat Isiak. I got to know about Koolenergies at the trade fair, and that was a trade fair for 2021. What caught my attention first at that time was the Koolboks, the fixer that uses solar. But at that particular time, I could not get it. I was like, instead of me getting the freezer alone, why don't I get the energy that will like power my existing freezer and every other thing in my house? And fortunately for us, the day they fixed the solar started working. 2 days after coastal road construction, they took away all the NEPA poles because they had to start digging the road. So from that time till now, we have not used NEPA. So we have been surviving solely on Koolenergies. Where it touches me most is that comfortability and consistency. Because in the first system, when I said I wanted to get the Koolboks, we were still on electricity supply, but it was not stable. The electricity was there, but the current was low and it was always fluctuating. In fact, I can't tell you what it has cost me. My name is Omotope Kafayat Isiak.